Hi, in this video we are going to simplify terms in multiplication and division. Let's work on an example. Right, in this one it says simplify 3a squared b times 2ab. Now everything here is multiplication, so it doesn't matter if we just multiply numbers first and unknowns later on, because if we change the terms in multiplication, the result does not change. So I will start multiplying with the numbers. It's 3 times 2, which is 6. Then I'll consider the a's. So it's a squared times a. This is a to the power of 1. If you remember indices, we have to add the powers. So I'm going to end up with a cubed, 2 plus 1, right? And then for b, that's going to be the first power, 1 and 1 here. So b times b will be b squared. So you can just directly write the simplest form for this expression. Another example. Now we have division here. We can still approach this expression with the same idea. We can divide the numbers first, so it's going to be 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Then we can consider m to the power of 4 divided by m, which is 1 in power. So 4 minus 1 is 3. I'll write m cubed. And for n, we have n cubed here and n squared here. So n cubed divided by n squared is 3 minus 2. The power will be 1, so I can just write n here, not n to the power of 1, but it's going to be n. So the simplest form for this expression will be 3m cubed n. In this example, we have an algebraic fraction, right? So this is a fraction, and it's going to be like 10 over 5. We're going to deal with the numbers first. So we'll have 2, and then a squared and a here, so you can just simplify this and get one of the a's, right? Because the powers are like this, 2 minus 1 is 1, so you only have a. And for b, well, there's nothing in the denominator for b, so you just copy paste b here. So the answer will be 2ab. One last example. If you have brackets squared, and if you have more than one term inside the brackets, remember that it's going to be distributed here. I'm talking about the 3 outside the brackets. So you should be considering 3 cubed times m squared cubed, all right? So this will be 27 m to the power of, remember now that the power of power means you multiply the powers, so it's going to be m to the power of 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, but it is not going to be 3m to the power of 6. You're not going to just multiply the powers here for m and don't take the cube of 3, alright? So this is wrong, whereas this is correct. You have to take the cube of 3. You have to distribute the power outside the brackets here. So if you have something like 4n to the power of 5 squared, right? This is not 4 times n to the power of 10 as a multiplication of 5 and 2, but rather it is going to be 4 squared, which is 16, and n to the power of, say, 10, right? So be very careful while dealing with those powers outside the brackets. Right, we have 9 questions here for you to solve on your books and submit your answers online. Thanks for watching.